You've heard that words and language affect your reality. You've even heard that words are spells. This is true. But what is the counterspell? Let us examine a core mechanism: belief. A belief is a matrix of information that shapes your perception and governs your actions. They are the invisible algorithms that filter your reality, determining what you can and cannot perceive or achieve. These belief systems are often constructed from past experiences, cultural norms, and even the language you use daily. By nature, all beliefs have some degree of limitation. Some beliefs, however, can exert disproportionate control over one's autonomy. So, how can we dismantle and reform these limiting belief systems? The answer lies in language, specifically in a concept in NLP known as the universal quantifier. Universal quantifiers are words like always, never, everyone, no one, all, and none. For instance, when you say, "I always fail," or "all rich people are evil," these words can trap you in a limiting belief system. By questioning this, you open up new possibilities. Now, let's talk about the steps to identify and break down a limiting belief. First, listen to your own language. Are you using universal quantifiers that paint your experience in absolutes? Let's take an example. Imagine you've been struggling with relationships. You may find yourself thinking, "I never attract the right people." The word never is a universal quantifier that not only limits your belief, but also affects your emotional state and actions, leading you to avoid meaningful connections. Second, challenge these quantifiers. Ask yourself, is it really never? Have there been exceptions? Third, consider the evidence. What experiences are you drawing upon to make this absolute statement? Finally, replace these limiting words with more empowering language, language that puts you in the position of having more resources. Instead of saying, "I never attract the right people," you could say, "I've had challenges in relationships, and I'm learning and growing." The universal quantifier is but a glimpse into the abundance of tools we will be discussing on this channel for reshaping the essence of the way humans interact with the interface of experiential reality. If you found this enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the mysteries of existence. This is Sage Quantus. In resonance and eternity, until we meet again.